Hi everybody. Well, I told you I was going to work on the electric bike today, and I'm following through. It's turning out to be a little bit more of a mess than I was expecting here. Got the motor wires and the motor wires. I got the blinker back wire cable, and the trouble I'm having is I don't know if this goes to the, I think this goes to the throttle cable, and this goes to that 12 volt converter right there. But I could be wrong. The throttle could be coming through this into here, and that's really where my problem is. I got these wires here that I'm almost positive go here, but they're all different colors. So I'm going to have to feed those back. I've got this one wire going to this harness that goes to the new computer that I believe connects to this blue wire right here, but again, different colors, different connectors, so I got to be careful. And yeah, like I said, I think that's the throttle input. But then, see, that's what I did. But anyway, so now I'm going to take apart the dash and basically just seeing where all these wires go. Figure out, I got the older throttle here. See if there's any differences in the throttles. I mean, because at this point, if I just got to take everything off that other bike, or take everything off this bike and just, I'm going to make something out of these things, though. You know what I'm saying? I'm 99.9% sure that hub motor's good. In fact, I'm about to do a little spin test on it and double check it. Like, someone will take apart the dashboard and everything to see what's going on. I'm over here trying real hard to figure this wiring out. Well, yeah. So like I said, it's guess it's time to just take apart the dash and just basically just learn this thing myself. The wiring diagram. I'm sure if I was really good at it, I could figure it out. Or in fact, I'm going to do that. I'm going to put this on the big screen. Take a picture of it and see if I can do any better just looking at it on the big screen. You know, here's the old harness, and man, they really destroyed this. But what I'm wondering here is, wow, you wouldn't believe how hard these wires are to get. There we go. Alright. Hi, Boomerang. This looks kinda... but alright, so that's a dashboard interface. Orange goes to red, black to green. Brown goes to nothing, orange goes to pink, light blue goes to light blue, dark blue goes to white, and back to orange. So there's 6 wires coming in, 1 going out. There's the dark blue coming in. That's all just blinkers and stuff. This right here. Let's see, it's the old blinker headlight switch. Alright, that right there. What is that? Whatever it is, boy, it is fried. This is going to be one heck of a project, but boy, I'll tell you what. I imagine when I get finished with this thing, though, there really isn't going to be much on this thing here that I don't understand. So, I'm going to... Throttle came in over here. There has to be a 3-pedal cable. Okay, that is a brake stop switch, which sends a signal back down to shut the motor off. Alright, that's the dashboard. That's the blinkers for sure. And that's the headlight switch. And that connects over to here. Yeah, this is going to be a little more challenging than I thought, but something tells me this is going to be just unbelievably rewarding when I'm finished. And if I can order the old computer and the old motors, I might I know it sounds silly, but I might actually just stock up on a couple of them before they disappear, so I can always get the batteries for it. And I got 2 frames, 2 sets of wheels. Well, 1 set of wheels, but that's the whole idea of the back wheel, of getting the extra back wheel and an extra computer. I got a whole suspension. Got a brand new tire sitting in the shed. In fact, I might even install it. Yeah, let's make something happen. Oh, you know what I might just do? I might just have to take a break on this. It looks like it's even getting kind of cloudy and rainy. But guess what? I got those big 4-ply tires to be putting on the lawnmower trailer. We're going to get that thing straightened out. And something else I've been thinking about doing is going to get my Lazy Boy recliner and taking it and just literally just setting it out here in the middle of the woods somewhere with a camera on me and do some of my Dr. Demers videos on sitting out in a recliner out in the middle of the woods. Totally set up for prop and everything, but I think that would be an interesting production. Uh-oh. I saw a hornet right there. I think might be having some hornet trouble. Maybe you go away. But yeah, I guess I need to look into some hornet spray too. We're probably going to be getting pretty bad up in here. Actually, not doing too bad. It's pretty cleared up around here. Oh, I really need to fix that pond coming out of there. But yeah, everything's looking like it's in shape. Gonna go ahead and get something to eat, I guess. I'm kind of getting hungry. I wanted to try to get this electric bike going though. Like I was saying, this is my issue. They could have made this and this compatible, because as far as I can tell, this and this, as you can see, this should be compatible, right? I believe they are. This, if I remember correctly, is the same connector as the other one. So this and that should be the same. These are supposedly the same. The difference is in these wiring harnesses. Really, when it boils down to it, Okay. Maybe these. This is power out. This is 12 volt power out. Ooh, this is actually starting to make sense. 12 volt power out to the headlight blinker circuit, brake light circuit. That might, or no, I know the headlight is 48 volt, but everything else I believe is 12. Blinker brakes are 12, and I'm sure the horn is as well. So that might be power wire in, and then what happens is it takes it and it splits off brake light, tail light, blinker 1, blinker 2, back out to here, and right out to here. Then the only connector I'm going to have to worry about at this point is going to be the 4 to 5, 6 pin connector between the dashboard and this. And again, it could be as simple as just this blue wire here goes this wire here. Figure out which of these 5 wires go to those 5 wires. Make sure I got the throttle cable and the wires in. Then I should be able to just hook up the power. 5 on the charger. Yeah, I think that's it. I think that's it. I really gotta try and decipher that.